rich and creamy ricotta and tomato shells recipe with fresh pecorino and sweet basil. File this under a ridiculously good and easy dinner recipe. Love that it calls for fresh tomatoes and basil, which are about to gravitate into peak time this summer. Instructions: 1. Follow instructions on pasta of choice. Pro tip: leave it slightly al dente because it will later be transferred to a pan with tomatoes and cheese and cook some more. Don't forget to salt your pasta water and leave some aside after the pasta is done cooking should you need to thicken the sauce. 2. Warm up a skillet and add olive oil or butter. 3. Throw in cherry tomatoes and season with sea salt, pepper, thyme, tomato paste, honey, and red pepper flakes. 4. Heat until the tomatoes start blistering and softening 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Drain pasta and add it to the pan. Toss to coat evenly. 6. Add ricotta and toss until evenly spread, but you still want to see nice dollops. 7. Transfer to a serving bowl or plate. Add your pecorino or parm and garnish with fresh basil. 8. Serve and enjoy. Ingredients: 1 pound dried pasta, such as farfalle, rigatoni, conchiglie, or pen. I used protein-packed chickpea shells. Sea salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil softened. 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 1 tablespoon of pure tomato paste. 1/2 tablespoon of honey breaks up the tomato acidity. 2.5 cups cherry tomatoes. 1 tablespoon grated pecorino or parmesan. 2 by 3 cup fresh ricotta at room temp and slightly softened. A handful of basil for garnish. If you like this video and want more Mediterranean recipes and Mediterranean tips, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.